Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Phpstorm updated, Copilot plugin available, and an active GitHub Copilot subscription. Open Settings, go to Plugins, search for Copilot, and install it now. Once done, restart Phpstorm so the plugin initializes. Next, you will authenticate. Open Tools, right arrow GitHub Copilot, and choose Sign In. This triggers a browser flow. Make sure to allow permissions on GitHub so Phpstorm receives the token, because without that token, suggestions won't appear. You now configure behavior to fit your workflow. In Settings, right arrow Languages and Frameworks, right arrow GitHub Copilot, enable inline suggestions and adjust suggestion frequency. Choose Tab to accept. Once configured, open a PHP file and type a descriptive comment or function signature. Copilot uses that context to generate code. If a suggestion is off, press Alt+ or Alt+ to cycle alternatives. Make sure to keep code style settings consistent, because Copilot adapts to project conventions and writes more accurate suggestions over time. You finish by validating and integrating suggestions responsibly. Always review generated code for correctness, security, and style, then run tests or static analysis before committing. Use Git diff and local history to compare iterations and revert if needed. If Copilot stops suggesting, first re-authenticate through the plugin, check your subscription, and verify IDE network/proxy settings, then restart Phpstorm. If problems persist, disable conflicting plugins and recreate the token. That usually resolves authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.